Welcome to Vocabulary Domino, a great way for kids to build their vocabulary and remember it. There are 25 units in this program. Each unit is represented by an envelope, and in envelope Aleph, you've got 12 cards per envelope. You all know how to play domino, so let's just lay out each card. There are 12 cards. And what you're going to look for to start the game, you can play this with 2, sometimes 3 players. You're going to, or even against yourself, you're going to look for 2 cards which only have half a print. So for example, here it says said, and it's blank on that side, so that's going to be our last card. Oh, and here's the other one, which is only 1 print on one side, it's blank here. So Roish is going to be our starting point. That's a good place to start, the top, the head. So Roish means head. So you're going to look for head. Oh, here we are. And if you're not sure what Roish means, you look it up in your dictionary. Inside the Lashon Torah manual, you have a dictionary which will go in the order that the cards appear in the program. Roish, oh, is head. So that's where you know the translation. There's an English alphabetized dictionary as well, so that you can check it in that one as well. If you're looking up the word head, you look up H and you'll find it on the Roish is over there. Oh, Barai, create. Oh, right there. Cool. Elokim, Hashem is the powerful powers. It's down here. I think I'll make it like this. Shamayim. Shamayim is skies and heavens. Oh, here we are. Great. I'm going to go downwards this time. Eretz. Eretz is land or earth. There. Very good. Excuse me. Haya is was or exist. Da-da-da-da. No, that's not it. Yes, here it is. Choshech. That's easy. Darkness. That was one of the makkos. Al is on. Right on. Panim. Faces or inside. There we are. No, that's not it. Here we are. I can go like that. Ruach is wind or spirit, like that. Maim is water. And Amar said, yay! I got it right. Okay, you can make any shape you like. There's another option. You can buy from Amazon this beautiful set of drawers, label them 1 through 25, and then you can put all the cards inside. Here, I'm going to show you. They fit in neatly. There you've got the cards. So this is just, I think, a more endearing, pleasant way to have it in your physical environment in the classroom if there's room. Otherwise, you'll get it in a very simple plastic tray laid out in 25 envelopes. Enjoy.